Hello, I'm joined by Will from CareCo, and today we're looking at the Li-Tech Velo, which is an automatic folding scooter. What a great looking machine, Will.
Yeah, really excited about this one coming into our range. It's the new Li-Tech Velo, which is adding to our range of electric folding scooters. Just a touch of a button and it means the scooter can concertina and fold up, so easy to store away or to put into the boot of a car. It's completely new technology, and there's a lot of new features on this model that we're really excited about.
Well, it is packed with features, isn't it? And of course, it's got that wonderful automatic folding feature as the main thing. But let's talk through the whole scooter, maybe starting off at the seat there, which looks really comfortable.
Yeah, so let's start at the seat. I really like this seat. It's got nice padding and contouring on the seat, which you won't often see on an electric folding scooter. It's got a nice texture to it as well. But the key area is the armrests that we really like. The armrests are height adjustable. They're also sliding, so you can slide the armrest back and forward to find the perfect position for you. And a key feature that's been added on the Velo is the fact that you can swing the armrest backwards on the product. So in terms of side access on and off, it makes it really simple and really easy.
And that's great for users who maybe have different levels of mobility, different levels of strength and so on. And actually that's perfect moving towards the tiller head here, which I see is also adjustable and likewise packed with features and looks really high tech.
So you've got the height adjustment on the tiller, which is basically going to allow the user to find the exact position that's right for them. What you often won't see on an electric folding scooter is this wraparound tiller head that you see here. The benefit of that, it means that you can control the product going backwards and forwards with just one hand. So that's a really nice feature, and it's really well padded as well. On the side of the tiller head, you've got a charging point up there. There's two charging points. You've got a charging point on the tiller head if you were to keep the battery connected, and there's also the off-board charging facility on the battery box.
But I noticed there's nowhere to put the key.
Yeah, well, that's something new on the Velo. So there's two ways to be able to turn your Li-Tech Velo on. You can either enter in your passcode, which you can choose. It's a 4-digit passcode, and then you simply hit the tick and you're ready to go, and the scooter will power on. Or also, all the scooters are supplied with a fob. All you need to do is push the fob onto the power section on the front of the tiller head. The scooter will power on and turn on. You can obviously fold the scooter using the fob, but also on the rear of the battery box there's also the manual fold, where you can unfold or fold the scooter just by clicking of the buttons. So you've got the backup there if you do need that. Most people will obviously love using the remote and being able to watch their scooter fold in front of them.
And although this is digital and looks really high tech, actually the controls are pretty simple.
It's a 4-mile-an-hour machine, so we have the tortoise up to the hare, so from 0 to 4 miles per hour. You've got a horn there that you can use. You've got your battery gauge, you've got a 10.6 mile range. And another thing that you've got on the Velo is the LED front lights and the rear lights. They're really nicely done. They're quite minimal in terms of how they're built in, and the power on the lighting is really strong as well.
And moving towards the bottom there, again, you've got some good, strong, sturdy wheels for the scooter, reasonable clearance there as well, and the usual sort of anti-tip wheels and things.
Yeah, so you've got 20 centimetre front and rear tyres. That means it's going to be a slightly more comfortable ride. It's going to be able to deal with a little bit more all-terrain. With the bigger wheels as well, it also increases the ground clearance that we talked about. And obviously, as always, we've got the anti-tip wheels on the rear as well.
This is in the sort of teal blue, which I particularly like, but it also comes in other colours.
Yeah, so we've got it in the teal that we're showing today, but we also do it in a metallic grey, which you can view online to see. They're both really nice, quite neutral, quite modern colours, and we really like them.
Well, it's a great scooter, Will. Thank you very much indeed.
No problem.
That's the Li-Tech Velo, which is an electric folding scooter available now from CareCo. To find out more specifications, have a look on the website, pop into a store or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.